Then I go again. Had some seashell each. So if Teddy gave 150, gave Lynn 150, they will have equal number. So from this, I know that Teddy will have more. Am I right? So if I give Lynn, let's say Lynn, I draw over here. 150. Over the portion here is 150, right? Let's say for here. I give here 100. Then I will have equal number. Am I right? So this give here. So from here you can clearly see at the start, right? Lynn is already how much lesser than? It's $300 less than Lynn is $300 less than Teddy at the start. Okay? It's already $300 less than Teddy at the start. Then it says that if Lynn gave 150 seashell to Teddy, it will have the ratio. It will become Teddy will have 3 times as many seashell as Lynn. Okay. Okay. For here we draw, because this is the second scenario. So Teddy, you know that here is same as Teddy. This is Teddy, and here is Lynn. So from the first, you already know that this portion here is 150, right? Because gave 150. But the second scenario, he didn't give, but then here I know it's 150. But it says that if this lady here give 150 to him, so here is add another 150. Okay. So now I see how much lesser Lynn will have after she gave 150 to Teddy. So over here, right? Because you already know that at the initial stage, she is already 300 less than Teddy. This portion here is here, correct? For the initial stage. So, but then if she give another 150 to this guy here, then here she will be how much less? If she give another portion to this guy here. Over here you will have cut here 150, add 300, then add 150. You have 600 less. Okay, if she were to give the money 150 to Teddy, okay, she has 600 less. But then after she gave, right, the model will become like that. Teddy will have 3 times that of Lynn. So what's the difference? This difference here is actually this difference here. Do you see it? Because after that it become like that, and then here is the whole bar here. So this difference here is actually equals to this difference, which is, that means 600 is equals to 2 units. If 2 units equals to 600, 1 unit will be 300. Okay? If 1 unit is equals to 300, give me a minute. So you know that here is equals to what? 300. I add back because initial phase I didn't give the 150 one. So I add back 150. I will have $415. So this is the answer. Okay, so it's very important that in the first place, you first find that if Teddy didn't give Lynn the 150, how much Lynn has less than Teddy? So Teddy initial is this one. So Lin is this one. So there are actually $300 difference. So the $300 difference, right, is over here. So when I say that if Lin gave 150, so in this case I give $150 to this guy here. So 150. I already know that this portion here is 300. So I know that here is 150. Here is also 150. I will have 600 difference now. When this 600 difference is actually, it says that after this happen, right, Teddy will have 3 times as many seashell. So you draw this model 3 times, and this is 1 time. So this difference is actually 600. Okay, from there you can easily find 1 unit is equals to how many. In this case, the 1 unit is actually $300. So $300 plus 150 that you gave off is actually 450. Okay, for this one, we know that 18 the ratio of 30 is equals to this to ratio of 40, which means, right, 18 30 equals to this one 40. I need to change this to become 40, so I know what is, then I can find what is the question mark. So how do I change? I can maybe change this to 10 first. How I change this to 10? I divide this by 3. So here I will have 6 over 10. So here I still don't know, right? Once I have 6 over 10 here, I can make this to 40 by times 4. Times 4 is actually the whole ratio of times 4. 6 times 4, 24. 10 times 4, 40. So it's equals to 24, 40. So this is the correct one. Okay?